is Ana Maria Urquijo Nunes, and I am a student of the bachelor's degree in foreign language with an emphasis on English at Universidad Nacional Abierta y a Distancia UNAD. Today, I want to share with you the process of my research, which aims to improve listening comprehension skills in early semester students of this same program. The title of my research is Research on Improving Listening Comprehension in Early Semester Students of the Bachelor's Degree in Foreign Language with an emphasis on English at the Universidad Nacional Abierta y a Distancia UNAD. To give you some context, the purpose of this research came from a common issue that many first semester students face: difficulties in understanding spoken English. This not only affects their academic performance, but also their confidence when interacting in the language. My research focuses on finding a solution to this problem through the design and implementation of specific instructional materials supported by interactive digital tools. Research objective: the main goal of this research is to improve listening comprehension skills in these students. How do I do? By using an innovative approach that combines technology with language learning. I implement an online program with digital tools like Canva, Kahoot, Educaplay, WordWall, Blockit, is collective and lyrics training platforms that allow me to create interactive and dynamic exercise, specifically designed to strengthen listening comprehension. Methodology: to carry out this research, I designed an online listening comprehension program. I use tools like Canva to create visual materials that help the students connect auditory and visual information. I use Kahoot to implement interactive quizzes that allowed me to assess in real time how well students understood what they were hearing. I also used Educaplay to develop activities that reinforce the practice in a more dynamic format, and work to create educational games that encourage active student participation. Additionally, I involve platforms like Blockit to create more interactive and playful games, which focused on reinforcing listening skills. I also used its collective to incorporate audiovisual research that provide more real-life context to the exercise. Finally, I implemented lyrics training, which helps improve listening comprehension through sounds, making learning more fun and accessible. Results: the results of this intervention show a 5% increase in accuracy and fluency in listening comprehension. Before the intervention, only 60% of students reached the desired level, while after the intervention, this percentage increased to 65%. What's most important is that these platforms have enabled a more active learning process, where students can collaborate, receive immediate feedback, and assess their progress continuously. Research poster description: Now I will show the research posters. I have designed on the left side of the poster. You can see the research objective description and the results. On the right side of the poster, you will find the methodology and the conclusion, which highlights the positive impact of digital tools in improving students' listening comprehension. The bar chart that accompanies the results shows that before the intervention, 60% of students reached the desired level, and after the intervention, this percentage rises to 65%. Conclusion: the use of these interactive digital tools has proven to be an effective strategy for improving listening comprehension in a virtual environment. The integration of tools like Canva, Kahoot, EducaPlay, WordWall, Blockit, Easel Collective, and Lyrics Training has provided a dynamic and accessible approach for students. Thank you for your attention.